Look at this body, hanging in the pitch-black void. Don't be fooled by that dazzling halo. It's a ring of death, billions of shards of ice and rock. Its name is Saturn, the solar system's most elegant killer. Most people are captivated by its beauty at first sight. But today, we tear away that gentle veil. Suppose you had one chance to visit this planet. Could you descend into its darkest depths, all the way to the core? What secret does that core hide? Saturn's story begins 400 years ago. One night in 1610, Galileo aimed his telescope at the sky and saw that this planet had grown ears. He puzzled over it for 2 years. When he looked again, the ears were gone. The great astronomer never solved it in his lifetime. What he saw were Saturn's rings, a layer thin as a cicada's wing, nearly invisible edge-on. Later, Huygens cracked the mystery with a better telescope. Saturn took its name from the Roman god of farming, the sky god Saturnus. After all, its sickle-shaped rings look just like the scythe in his hand. Saturn sits 4 billion kilometers from the sun. By ordinary plane, you'd fly nearly 2,000 years. But say you had a light-speed ship, then it's easy at light speed, just over an hour, brings you right to it. You stand at the window, watching that pale yellow giant turn slowly in the void. It looks serene, calm, like an old man weathered by time. Then you take a deep breath and plunge into its atmosphere. You enter Saturn's outermost layer. The air is razor thin, but blazing hot, over 970 degrees Celsius. A roar fills your ears, but it isn't wind. It's the currents of Saturn's hexagonal storm, racing at 1,800 kilometers an hour, 6 times Earth's strongest hurricane. Without a special suit, 1 second would scorch you and tear you into invisible fragments. Luckily, your suit lets you sink deeper. Now you reach the middle atmosphere, where the temperature rides a roller coaster. Minus 150 degrees freezes you solid. From searing heat to deep freeze, frostbite hits 100 times faster than on Earth. Here too, without a suit, you'd last less than a second. The deeper you go, the faster the heat climbs. Scientists have argued for decades and still can't fully explain what's going on. Some blame the crushing pressure, others suspect some mysterious energy. You've no time to wonder. You just endure this hell of ice and fire and keep falling. You break into the stratosphere and troposphere. A sharp stench of rotten eggs stings your nose. That's hydrogen sulfide in Saturn's air. It's everywhere. Your suit seals it all out. Exposed now, one breath would kill you. Within 1.5 seconds, the gas would burn your lungs away. If by now, you've passed all 5 layers, a stranger sight awaits. This is liquid metallic hydrogen. Pressure here hits 2 million Earth atmospheres, and temperatures reach 6,000 to 9,000 degrees. Here, gas is crushed into conductive liquid metal. A human body would shrink to the size of an atom. After who knows how long, you near Saturn's solid core, a sphere of rock and metal, as hot as 11,700 degrees, hotter than the sun's surface. Standing here, you're swallowed by total darkness. Only your suit sensors scream their alarms, warning how cruel this world is. You hear your heartbeat and your suit cracking under pressure. And here, the pressure rips methane molecules apart, and carbon crystallizes into diamond. They fall from far above, a silent downpour. By some estimates, Saturn makes 1,000 tons of diamonds a year. They glint dark red in the endless dark, falling toward the blazing core. And yet, you can only watch this diamond rain fall beneath your feet, unable to keep a single one, because you and your suit will surely become one with this elegant, brutal world, ending this terrifying, wondrous journey.